What's going on, guys? Today we're here at Watkins Glen State Park, and we got the nephews, my mom and Brittany. We're gonna explore the beautiful Watkins Glen State Park. So most of the hike here is stairs. It does get a little muddy, but it's not too bad. But you definitely do have to be a little bit in shape to make it up the gorge trail here. And this is exactly what I mean. It can be pretty muddy. When you get to the cavern cascade, it's really awesome because you get to actually walk right behind the waterfall here, and it just looks so beautiful. When you're hiking up, don't forget to look behind you, see the beautiful gorge, because it just is such a great state park. Now we're going to be getting to the best part of Watkins Glen State Park, and it's just up these stairs and over, and this is as far as we're going today, just because we want to see more of Watkins Glen. So we're gonna head up there now. This is the famous Rainbow Falls here at Watkins Glen State Park. Definitely my favorite waterfall in this park. So we were able to get some pretty good shots. I was using my neutral density filters. You can see how dark that makes it here. So I'm going to throw up some of these shots here now. It did start getting busy, but we were lucky enough that we got some shots where there weren't any people in frame. Another cool spot about Rainbow Falls is as you're doing the gorge trail right around, you get to walk down around this part of the waterfall here. You will get a little wet, so just be careful walking through, but it is awesome. And of course you can stand on top of Rainbow Bridge, and we tried to get here early enough. Right now it is 9:35, and you can see there's a pretty long trail of people. So definitely come early if you are going to do Watkins Glen, especially in the summertime. That way you can beat the heat. Again, this is why you got to remember, take a look back when you're here. See how beautiful this gorge is. That does it for our time at Watkins Glen State Park. Next, I'm going to go get some drone flights around Seneca Lake. Then we're going to take you to probably the best pizza shop in Watkins Glen, which is Gerlando's. Then after that, we're going to end the day with some ice cream. So we're down by the pier. What you do is you park by the Watkins Glen Harbor Hotel, which is that hotel right there. You're down by the marina where all the boats are, and then boom, you're right there. That was a decent drone flight. Time to go get some Gerlandos. All right, so we're here at Gerlando's Pizza, and we're coming in the back just because we're grabbing a slice. But on the main strip through Watkins Glen, which is North Franklin, they have a dining room where you can get some good Italian food. But we're just grabbing the slice today, so we're gonna come in the back entrance. And here's a quick glance at the menu here. So there isn't a lot of seating options in the back of Gerlando's, but we're here a little after 11 and we've got it all to ourselves. It's definitely not a bad time to come grab a slice. Look at how good this sliced pizza looks. Today we're gonna have Gianni take the first bite and rate this pizza.
Okay.
A little hot right now? Alright, what do you give it, buddy?
It's very good, like the cheese is super good. I would have to give it a 9.2.
Oh wow, that's a good rating. One last stop in this video for Watkins Glen. We are going to get some ice cream at the Glen Dairy Bar, which is one of the best places to get ice cream in this area. So I'll see you guys when we get there. So here we are at the Glen Dairy Bar. This ice cream is really good, so we're gonna go get some right now, and then we'll let you know how it is. Ooh, that ice cream looks good. I went with peanut butter dip top with vanilla ice cream from the dairy bar. And they have this nice seating area back here. That is really good ice cream, and that does it for the end of the video. Thank you guys for coming along. Adventure on.